Hello students, back to school with online classes of English. Now today we will study about adjectives. See these examples. The teacher is wearing a red sweater. They are happy. Here red and happy are adjectives because these are telling something about noun. Now what is adjective? An adjective adds something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Here are kinds of adjectives. So adjective is a describing words and these are of 9 kinds. Now here see adjectives of quality. It tells what kind. Now second one is adjectives of quantity. It tells how much. See the examples also. And next is adjective of number. It tells how many, like 1, 2, 3, etc. Now demonstrative adjectives. It asks questions which. Next is distributive adjectives. It used to denote things. Now next is interrogative adjective. It is used with nouns to form questions. Means ask questions. Now next is possessive adjective. It shows possessions or belongings. Now next is exclamatory adjectives. It is used with noun in exclamatory sentences like what a fine day, what a good luck, etc. etc. Now the next is emphasizing adjectives. It increase or decrease the effect of the noun. They are modifier. Now I am going to explain you an adjective in a wide manner. What is adjective? Adjective are those words which describe the nouns or pronouns. Or adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. You can see the examples. Good, black, many, few, big, brave, etc. Now types of adjectives. Students, what are types of adjectives? First is adjective of quality. Now, what is adjective of quality? The words that describe the quality of noun or pronoun are known as adjective of quality. For example, good, bad, black, hungry, etc. Now adjectives of quantity. The words which describe the quantity of nouns or pronouns are known as adjective of quantity. For example, some, little, etc. Now see some sentences. First is, I don't have much time. Here, much is adjective. I have little faith in God. Here, little is adjective. He has taken half cup of milk. Here, half is adjective. He had lost all his health. Here, all is adjective. Now adjective of number. Word which expresses the exact number of nouns or pronouns and their position or place in certain order is called adjective of number. It tells how many person or things are meant. For example, one or first, two or second. Now see the difference between adjective of quantity and adjective of number. The difference between adjective of number and adjectives of quantity is that indefinite numeral adjectives like some, few, many, etc. are used with countable nouns, whereas adjectives of quantity, some, few, many, etc. are used with uncountable nouns. Now next is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives, words that are used to point out a specific person or things, are called demonstrative adjectives. You can see, for example, this, that, these, those, latter, former, etc. Like see examples, I hate such things. Here, such is demonstrative adjective. Next is the former presentation of lecture was good. Here, former is demonstrative adjective. The latter opinion will cost us a lot. Here, latter is demonstrative adjective. Now difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. What is demonstrative adjective? Demonstrative adjective modifies the noun and is always followed by the noun. Example, this car is expensive. Here, this is demonstrative adjective. Now demonstrative pronoun takes the place of noun phrase. For example, this is my car. Here this is demonstrative pronoun. Now interrogative adjective. Difference between interrogative adjective and interrogative pronoun are that interrogative adjective asks a question and describes a noun. For example, which color looks better? Here, which is interrogative adjective. An interrogative pronoun asks a question but stands alone, means does not describe a noun. For example, which should I buy you on your birthday? Here, which is interrogative pronoun. Now proper adjective. Proper adjective originate from proper noun, and like proper noun, proper adjective always begins with a capital letter. For example, Italian, Russian, Indian, etc. Now see the sentences. My book is on the table. Here my is proper adjective. Now I think you forgot your purse. Here your is proper adjective. Next, his brother is very handsome. Here his is proper adjective. Now, difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. See the sentences and the differences. Possessive adjective is used to show ownership and comes before a noun in the sentence. For example, my book is on the table. Here, my is possessive adjective. Now, possessive pronoun does show ownership, but it does not come before a noun. It can also be used to replace noun. For example, this phone is yours. So here yours is possessive pronoun. Now adjectives as a describing words. Words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place or thing are called adjective. This I told you earlier. Now see person, animal, place, thing. Words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place or thing are called adjectives. Now words for numbers, colors, size and shape are also adjectives. See the next one, like green parrot, and the next is round ball. So here green and round are adjectives. Now one hand and two chicks. Here one and two are adjectives. Now words used to describe quality, like words used to describe quality, color, size, shape, number, all are adjectives. And adjectives also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells or sounds like fresh fragrance. Here fresh describes the fragrance of the perfume. So see the next one, loud music. Loud describes the sound of the music. Next is salty chips. Here salty describes the taste of the chips. So these all are adjectives. See the next one, beautiful girl. Beautiful describes the looks of the girl. So it is, beautiful is adjective. Adjective like sunny, bright, red, brown, shiny. These all are adjectives. See the examples. It's a bright sunny day. So bright sunny is adjectives. Adjectives ask which kind, what kind, which one, how many, how much, etc. What kind and how many. Today is a warm day with hundreds of birds chirping in the clear blue sky. So it asks what kind. Next, the fierce, ugly, old, black shepherd dog. It is wrong. We have to arrange it in a proper order. So to make a perfect sentence, one should follow the following order. Now what would be the order? Like size, texture, color and type. Now see the yellow big beach shiny ball. It is wrong order. Correct is the big shiny yellow beach ball. It is a correct order. Now possessive adjective. The edge of my sari is torn. This is the example. Here my is changed into mine in possessive adjective. Now see the order of the adjectives. So when two or more adjectives precede a noun, they are placed in the following order. Like it is 1 to 9. First is opinion, second is size, third is quality, fourth is age, fifth is shape, sixth is color, seventh is origin, eighth is material and ninth is purpose. Now, most adjectives can appear before a noun as part of a noun phrase, placed after determiners or numbers if there are any, and immediately before the noun. Example, adjectives placed after the verb in this way are generally referred to as occurring in the predicative position. Now see adjectives and opposites. Alive is dead. Beautiful is ugly. Big opposite is small. Adjective bitter opposite is sweet. And cheap opposite is expensive. Now if we add some suffixes in adjectives, then what it formed? See the examples. Admirable, colorful, Arabic, political, childish, etc. Now adjectives can be formed from verbs by adding suffixes like y, able, os, al, full, etc. etc. Now see the examples of formation of adjective. Suffix is less, verb is tire, adjective is tireless. Now the second one, suffix is if and verb is create, so adjective is creative. Now students, come to the degrees of comparison. So you know that there are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So what is positive degree? Positive degree is used when we talk about one person. Comparative degree is used for comparison between 2 things or sets of things, and superlative degree is used when the comparison is between more than 2 things or sets of things or persons of the same class. Now how the formation of comparative and superlative degree forms. Most adjectives of one syllable and some of more than one form the comparative adding er and the superlative by adding est to the opposite. Now when the adjective in positive degree ends with e, only r and st are added to the positive degree to form the comparative and superlative degree respectively. Now when the adjective in positive degree ends in a single consonant which is preceded by a short vowel, then the last consonant is doubled before adding er to form the comparative and est to form the superlative. Now when the adjective in the positive degree ends in 2 consonants and the second of these like s and y, then the y's change into I and er and est are added to form the comparative and the superlative degree respectively. Now see some examples of positive, comparative and superlative degree like beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, big, bigger, the biggest, black, blacker, the blackest, bright, brighter, the brightest, clean, cleaner, the cleanest, clever, cleverer, the cleverest, confused, more confused, the most confused, difficult, more difficult, the most difficult, dirty, dirtier, the dirtiest, fascinating, more fascinating, the most fascinating. See the other examples also of irregular comparisons. Now some adjectives form their comparatives and superlatives in an irregular manner. They not formed from the positive. You can see the examples: good, better, the best, and well, better, the best. Now come to the double comparatives and superlatives. Now double comparatives and superlatives must be avoided. Like the example, she is more cleverer than her brother. So it is incorrect. Correct is she is cleverer than her brother. So we cannot use more and cleverer together. So comparatives ending with or are followed by to instead of them. Now see the degrees of comparison. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degrees of comparison of adjective. Let's revise other one. There are 3 degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree and the superlative degree. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person or place without making any comparison. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person or place without making any comparison, like she has a big house. Here big is positive degree. Now the comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare 2 objects, people or places. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than 2 objects, people or places, as I told you earlier. Now example of superlative degree: his house is the biggest of all. Here the biggest is the example of superlative degree because here est is there. We add er and est to most, one or two-syllable words that end in consonants like positive dull, comparative duller, and superlative dullest. When the positive ends in E, we add only R and ST to the adjective like positive large, comparative larger, superlative largest. When the positive ends in consonant plus Y, we drop the Y and add IER and IST. Like example, lucky, luckier, luckiest. Now when the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel plus consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add ER and EST. Now look at the example. Red, redder, reddest. Positive red, comparative redder, and superlative reddest. Now see the next one. When the positive is long, that is a word of two or more syllables, we add more and most before the adjective to form comparative and superlative degrees. Like example, positive useful, comparative more useful, and superlative most useful. There are some adjectives that do not form the comparative and superlatives from their positives. They have irregular degrees of comparison like good, better, and best. Good is positive degree, better is comparative degree, and best is superlative degree. Now we use then with a comparative degree. Use the with a superlative degree. See the example, Mohan is shorter than Vicky. So here shorter is comparative degree. See the next one, Faguni is the shortest girl in her class. The shortest. Shortest is superlative degree because here the has come. So now come to the interchange of degrees of comparison. See the examples. Positive, no other metal is as precious as gold. Comparative, we can change it. Gold is more precious than any other metal. And the superlative, we can write gold is the most precious of all metals. So here we can write one sentence in three different forms. But the meaning is not changed. So here we have written it in positive, comparative, and superlative. All are different, but the meaning are not changed and the meaning is same. So students, now here your chapter 3 is completed. Now if you have any doubt, you can go through the chapter again and listen it very carefully. Now students, do your exercises from exercises A to exercise M. Now we will meet in next chapter. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.